Lana Marconi here, registered traditional Chinese medicine acupuncturist. Oftentimes people ask me, how does acupuncture work? I mean, you stick these needles in the human body, how do they affect any change? How do they influence change in the body? And so, the mechanism of how and why acupuncture works is profound and varied. And I'll give you a couple of explanations. One is a circulatory explanation. So acupuncture, the penetration of needles into the body, can stimulate the body's innate ability to heal itself. It brings the qi in the blood to a distressed area. Now, blood is filled with nutrients to help heal damaged tissue. So when you're experiencing like inflammation of a tendon or a strain of a muscle, the acupuncturist may insert like a needle at or near the site of injury. And this stimulation increases microcirculation to that area, increasing again the blood to the tissue that's injured, helping it to heal. Another explanation is the neurological explanation. So acupuncture actually stimulates the brain, the prefrontal cortex, the limbic cortex, and the sensory cortex, for example. The acupuncture stimulus travels to the brain via the anterolateral system. Now, this AS system releases brain chemicals, beta endorphins and enkephalin. These are the body's natural painkillers, so they help to suppress pain. A third way acupuncture can work is some of the points are actually located at trigger points. So when these painful areas get massaged, that can actually help release the tension. But for acupuncturists, we will stick needles in these points that are acupuncture points and also a trigger point. So trigger points or motor points. These motor points are where the nerve innervates the muscles. So these would point to the effectiveness of acupuncture being mediated through the nervous and muscular system. Research also shows when the needles penetrate through a certain point, it actually helps to stimulate the immune system response. So it actually helps to increase white blood cells. So there's 4 ways right there of how acupuncture can help heal the body: the circulatory explanation, the neurological explanation, the musculoskeletal explanation, and the immune system explanation. Another question I get asked as an acupuncturist, well, how do you even know these meridians are real? Because, we can't see them. One of the great studies is in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine. It's actually right here, I printed it. It was done in 2005. And basically what this research paper shows is that they used an infrared camera with moxibustion. Moxibustion is something we use in Chinese medicine. This is the moxa stick. It's a smokeless moxa, and we heat it up. And basically, so what they did in the study is they used the moxa stick, and they would put the moxa stick at certain points, at certain acupuncture points, and capture what that energy was doing through the infrared camera. And what they found is that the bladder meridian would be lit up, the stomach meridian would be lit up. So the meridians were actually being lit up through this research study. So science is actually catching up to what the ancients knew, thousands and thousands of years ago, and that, meridians are real, and traditional Chinese medicine is an effective strategy or method to helping you increase and promote your health and wellness. So if you have any other questions about traditional Chinese medicine and how it works, please feel free to ask me. Again, my name is Lana Marconi, and I'm a registered traditional Chinese medicine acupuncturist here in Ontario, Canada. Thanks so much, and have a fantastic day.